The following car accident case involves a personal injury lawsuit resulting from a collision between two private vehicles at an intersection. The plaintiff collided with the defendant's vehicle as she made a left turn across his path. The plaintiff sued the defendant for damages due to the injuries he sustained. During the trial, the plaintiff admitted to driving over the speed limit, 30 to 35 miles per hour in a 25 mile per hour zone, but argued that the defendant's negligent left turn caused the accident. The defendant, however, testified that she believed she had enough time and space to complete the turn safely. At the end of the trial, the court granted the plaintiff's motion for a directed verdict, ruling that the defendant was negligent and the jury was only tasked with determining the damages. The jury awarded the plaintiff $285,000, which was later increased to $304,545 after post-trial motions. The defendant appealed, arguing that the issue of the plaintiff's comparative negligence should have been presented to the jury. For comparative negligence of a plaintiff to be submitted to the jury, there must be evidence from which the jury could find both that the plaintiff was negligent and that his negligence caused the injuries for which he seeks damages. Where there is sufficient evidence for a jury to find both of these elements, the issue of the plaintiff's negligence must be submitted to the jury, no matter how strong or persuasive the countervailing evidence is, and failure to do so is reversible error. In this case, the Superior Court of Pennsylvania agreed with the defendant, concluding that the trial court had erred by not allowing the jury to consider the plaintiff's comparative negligence. The plaintiff had admitted to speeding, which could have been a contributing factor in the accident. As a result, the court vacated the judgment and ordered a new trial, during which the jury will evaluate both liability and damages, including the issue of the plaintiff's comparative negligence. In auto accident cases involving personal injury, it's essential to consider all contributing factors, including any potential negligence on the part of the plaintiff. If you are sued after a car accident, consulting a car crash lawyer can help you evaluate your case and prepare for possible defenses based on the plaintiff's comparative negligence. For more details, check out the video description. Thank you for watching.